Happy birthday ko!
My boss, sabi ko kay Ruby, sabi ko, dahil lang tayo kay Kuya Dan, sandali, 5 minutes lang daw. So, pagdaan namin dito, nagulat ako ba't ang dami sakyan. Pero sabi ko, I smell something fishy. Para akong ba't tumawag si Kuya Dan, and then mukha ka ako may producer at saka may director yan. So, nakita ko maraming, and then Obet, yung the son of Danilos, who's waiting outside. Sabi ko, Bet, wala nang parking. Ano bang meron dyan? Hindi naman sumagot. Sabi ko, saan daddy mo? Nandiyan mo sa opisina. Ano problema? Hindi ko alam. May kasama ko doon sa loob. Baba naman ako kagad. Alam mo naman, pagpasok ko sa malubong. Tapos ito na nga. The rest is history. You know, when I see friends, marami pala nagmamahal sa akin. Sabi ko, I really don't know how to thank each and every one of you. You know, I used to say a lot of jokes kasi, you know me, I'm a funny man. So, it's me na palaging, sabi ko nga, when I enter a place, I always say, it's showtime. But anyway, sabi ko pagdating ko dito, hindi pala show kako ito. It's a teledrama. It's a different kind of show. But anyway, sabi ko nga, thank you very much, Attorney, for being Albert. Maraming salamat, kapatid. Brother Albert is also a member of the United Methodist Church. Sa Kamuning Church po siya. Pastor for those who do not know. Usually, pag nasa Manila kami, pupunta po kami sa my brother's mustache. So, incidentally, pag may maaari po ng isang humble na tao, si Atty. Vinson, dito. I call him boy. Isa sa mga favorito kong bayaw. It's a first degree casting of my wife, Ruby. So, meron po siyang cocoon and hype boutique hotel. So, baka gusto nyo, bibigyan ko kayo ng discount, 1%. And you can always check in there. You can see for yourself. I really don't know what to say except from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat for sharing your time with us, especially to me this afternoon as noon time. I never expected because most of you, ka-chat ko lang kanina. May bumabate. Sarap naman lumabati yan eh. Although ba, ako na lang pala hindi nakakaalam. And anyway, maraming pong salamat from the bottom of my heart na siguro sagad na ng puso ko. I will never forget this day. It's the first time na makasama ko. I really thank you. Maraming ganun pala ako ang feeling ng 9 of 7. Just for you to know. Muli po, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. To God be all the glory. Thank you.